Changing the language in the Klarna app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a guest symbol. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Language Options. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Language options. This section may be labeled as Language or App Language. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Tap on the Language option to see a list of available languages. Select the language you want to use in the app. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After selecting your preferred language, confirm your choice if prompted. It may be necessary to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Now you can enjoy using the Klarna app in your chosen language. If you have any issues, consider checking the app's help section or contacting customer support for assistance.